Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to implement Stripe checkout for one-time purchases. Now once you create your product, you should see it here under the product catalog, and then next to the product you'll see these three dots, right? I want you to click on it and click on edit product, and then what I want you to do is here under pricing you can scroll down. Okay, you'll see the pricing, and this one is one off, and the way you do that, you can click on these three dots. Right, this is just the default. Click on the three dots, click on edit price, and then we have two options, either recurring or a one-off. One-off will charge a one-time fee, and here you can set the price, whether you want to include tax in the price as well, the currency, right? And after you're happy with everything, you can just come here and just click on next. Okay, once you're done, and then you can just update your product. As you can see, this one is going to be a one-time purchase, one-off update, and there you go, $0. This is a one-off purchase. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.